How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. Let's begin with the video. To start with, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once inside the app, tap on your profile icon. This icon is located at the top left corner of the screen. From here, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. As you scroll down, locate the section labeled Account Action. Under this section, select My Data. Here you will see a list of data options available for download. Carefully review the list and make sure chat history and user information are selected. You can also include additional data type if needed. Then hit Next. After that, choose the date range for your export. Before submitting, double check your email address. Once confirmed, hit Submit. Shortly after, you will see a confirmation screen with the See Export button. Tap it to view your additional data export. Then press Download beside your latest request to begin downloading the file. Once the download is complete, exit the Snapchat and open the File Manager app on your phone. Next, click on the zip file to extract its content. Then click on HTML. Finally, choose the Friends file. This will display your deleted friends on Snapchat. That's all. Now you know how to find deleted friends on Snapchat.